1. Peace lily Spathiphyllum wallacei. Peace lily is a plant that is mostly known for its ability to absorb moisture from the atmosphere through its leaves. This plant can therefore survive with minimal or no watering. Moreover, it requires low amounts of light to grow, hence a perfect choice for a bathroom plant. Another characteristic that makes peace lily a good choice for keeping in your bathroom is its ability to purify the air of all contaminants. However, this plant can also be toxic when accidentally ingested. This should not deter you to keep peace lily in your bathroom. Just ensure you keep the plants at a place where kids and pets can't reach. 2. English ivy Hedera helix. English ivy is a great indoor plant that you can consider placing in the bathroom in hanging baskets. You can find great vertical hanging planters online, and you'll be set with your ivy plant. This plant is ideal for reducing the impurities in the air, especially formaldehyde that's more present in the household products like bathing soap, cleaning detergents, furniture and treatments for carpets. The ivy will also help you get rid of mold that grows in areas with high humidity. With little maintenance and low light requirement, it is easy to keep English ivy in your bathroom, provided that you always keep the soil potting mix moist. 3. Mother-in-law's tongue Sansevieria trifasciata. This is one of the most popular of the bathroom plants that absorbs moisture. Just like the ivy, it has a special ability of filtering household toxins from the air, including formaldehyde, which is found in many cosmetics and cleaning products. And like other bathroom plants, mother-in-law's tongue is able to withstand high humidity and low light. Here's a nice article on how to propagate numerous snake plants. 4. Spider plant Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plant is without a doubt a very spectacular plant that you can grow indoors in your bathroom. Its smooth arching leaves improves your bathroom's overall appearance. The most astonishing fact about spider plant is that it can remove up to at least 90% of pollutants and moisture in the air. This unique characteristic makes it to stand out from the rest. 5. Reed palm Chamaedorea spp. Reed palms are known to thrive best in tropical and humid areas. Guess the best example of such areas: your bathroom. These bathroom plants have proven over and over again to be good at excess moisture absorption, air purification, as well as ability to grow under low light, hence another good choice for your bathroom. 6. Boston fern Nephrolepis exaltata. Boston fern is an indoor plant that likes moist growing conditions with indirect sunlight. This plant is able to absorb excess moisture from your bathroom without much of a struggle, a characteristic that enables to balance out the humidity levels, leaving your bathroom more comfortable. However, take more care of your fern by misting, especially during cold winters, as plants may die when the air dries out too much. In this case, misting is advised. 7. Zanzibar gem Zamioculcas zamiifolia. Also known as ZZ plant, Zuzu plant, or Roi palm, eternity plant, or emerald palm. Zanzibar gem plant is almost indestructible and can put up with any sort of growing conditions ranging from low light, high humidity, low water levels, as well as rapid temperature switch. This bathroom plant needs to be watered only 4 times a year. Its elegant oval leaves will grace your bathroom for many years. 8. Cast iron plant Aspidistra lacer. This bathroom plant is great in absorbing excess moisture in the air and does not need a lot of watering unless the soil potting mix is too dry. Cast iron plant is a low-light plant and can tolerate temperatures of between 10 to 27 degrees Celsius. 9. Bird's nest fern Asplenium nidus. Another one of the best plants for your bathroom. It loves low light levels and the extra moisture your bathroom can provide. With these conditions, the bird's nest fern becomes big with beautiful dark leaves that improves the appearance of your bathroom. However, you'll need enough space to plant bird's nest fern, as it will ultimately grow bigger. 10. Pothos epipremnumorium. Pothos is a hardy, easy-to-care-for plant that can survive in most spaces, hence sometimes referred to as a cubicle plant. It can tolerate the high humidity in your bathroom. Moreover, it can withstand low light levels and irregular watering schedule. This bathroom plant is fast-growing and flourishes into a beautiful hanging vine, especially when suspended from the shower curtain rod. 11. Orchids Phalaenopsis spp. Orchids like low light, enjoy the same temperatures as we do, and like a bit of humidity. If well taken care of, they produce beautiful blooms for several months and add exotic elegance to your bathroom. 12. Baby's Terra Solorolia solaroli. A bright green delicate creeping herb that trails prettily over wall-mounted planters or hanging baskets. It prefers shade and moisture, making it ideal for bathrooms with low levels of natural light. 13. Tansia spp. Tansia is a low-light plant, and just like many other bathroom plants, it is able to absorb excess moisture from the environment through the leaves, another one to add to your bathroom decor. 14. Calathea spp. Calatheas respond very well to humidity and can tolerate indirect light, hence well suited for most bathrooms. These plants bring a splash of color and elegance to your bathroom. 15. Dracaena fragrans. Dracaena requires high humidity levels, so your bathroom is basically the perfect location for it. These plants also tolerate low light but can thrive even better in a medium to bright indirect light location, too. 16. Aloe vera Aloe barbadensis Miller. This succulent plant needs low amounts of sunlight, less water requirements, and the humidity in your bathroom will be perfectly enough to keep it healthy. Apart from the fact that aloe vera beautifies your bathroom, it is also incredibly useful, especially when immediate relief from sunburns, cuts, or bug bites is needed. 17. Azalea rhododendron spp. Azalea produces the most beautiful blooms out of all bathroom flowers. Their purple, white, pink, and red flowers makes your bathroom look adorably beautiful. These plants thrive best in warm, humid environments just like the bathroom. 18. Begonia spp. Many types of begonia grow well in containers, and they enjoy the warmth and humidity of a bathroom shelf. Begonias are extremely colorful ornamentals and does very well indoors. 19. Philodendron dipinatophytum. Philodendrons are easy-growing plants that love bathroom conditions. Some philodendron varieties vine or trail, all others grow upright several feet. This plant has a special way of telling you whether you have overwatered or underwatered it by dropping its leaves. Philodendrons need bright but indirect light. Ensure you place them on a curtained windowsill.